Hello friend, after a long time I'm creating my video from this place. Actually, if I make my video from my village, so what happened? People they work in my village, and due to which you might be not able to hear my voice very clearly. So it happens, that is why I go out of the village in order to create my video. But today I decided to create from here. So this is my home. Actually, I don't live here. It's the place where my buffaloes are tied. My parents they tie them here. It's the buffalo shed, and look at over there. That is the machine. We cut the grass. Very near to that machine, you might be able to see grass. The bundle of grass. And after watching that machine, you might be having one question: does Anita cut the grass? So yeah, I cut grass. Most of the time I cut grass. Today itself I'll cut grass because evening time, not evening, actually night time I do that work. Okay, so this is evening time when I'm recording my video. After finishing this work, that will be my next work maybe. Okay, so this is what this is not the important thing. The thing is that I have got a lot of comments. People they ask me that I want to learn English. See, you have already started learning English, and that's why you are watching my video, right? So there is no question at all that you haven't started. You have already started, so be happy for that one. Other thing, people they say that, see, I understand English, or whenever I read I understand, whenever I watch I understand, but when it comes to speaking I fumble and I don't speak clearly. So how do you speak, they ask to me. My friend, let me share with you. Listening or reading, these all are the separate part. Okay, we need to do if we want to become a fluent speaker or good speaker. But coming to speaking is completely different. You need to give or pay attention more on speaking if you want to become a well speaker. Okay, see, if I had only thought and kept listening or kept reading, today I won't be able to speak this language, right? In your case also, if you want to become a well speaker, fluent speaker, you need to speak every single day. See, my friend, when I was a beginner, I used to speak hours and hours. Nowadays I don't speak that much because I feel here that now I can speak endlessly, but I need improvement also. Which kind of improvement do I need? The thing is that I am unable to use good words while explaining the things. You might be noticing in my videos also I don't use high vocabulary and idiom, phrasal verb and all. So I want to add on, and for that one I have to do hard work. In your case, you might be having problem while using simple words also. So everyone is having problem, right? But the thing is that we no need to stop. See, if I stop at this level, I won't be able to become a fluent speaker the way people speak this language, right? So if I want to speak this language very fluently, then I should also do hard work, and I should also practice with consistency, and I do that one. Today you won't believe I have practiced a lot, and that is why I'm so happy. So earlier, as a beginner, I used to practice hours and hours, but since I started feeling comfortable in this language, so I left speaking a lot, and I started paying attention on reading and on listening. But I think that is not good. If I want to become a perfect speaker, or not perfect, even well speaker, I need to practice this language every single day. So why I'm sharing with you this thing? Actually, today I connected to one person, and that person was asking to me that I understand when I listen. I'm good at reading, understanding, or I mean listening. But when it comes to speaking, I fumble, and those words are in my mind, but I am unable to put those words while explaining the things. So I said that it's so simple because you haven't practiced enough. See, if you practice a lot, my friend, what happened? Your mouth, your body, on top of that, your brain will become habitual of this language. when I speak this language, do I put more attention? Do I care that what I'm speaking? Not so much. And I don't care whether I'm making grammatical mistakes or not. But as a beginner, I used to care, you know. I used to care where I was making mistake, but now I don't care, and words and sentences comes flawlessly. In your case also, my friend, today you might be not able to speak this language fluently, but the day is not so far when you are also going to speak. But for that one, what you need to do, you have to speak hours and hours. See what happened? We speak a few minutes in English, and afterward we speak our mother tongue. See, let me share with you my story. At my home, I speak Bhojpuri language, but when I speak hours and hours Bhojpuri, what I feel that my pronunciation get little bit different, or my pronunciation gets little different. That is why I try to speak more English, and the day I speak a lot, that day I feel differences. So that is why in your case also, I'm not saying that stop speaking your mother tongue. That is also important. We need to speak, but when we are learning this language and when we are in hurry to learn this language, in that case we need to involve in this language more and more. And what does it mean involvement? It means that you put effort from your side more and more. You should speak more and more. You should listen more and more. Okay, and then you will be able to speak. But what I see, people, they give few minutes, but they expect so much. They just expect that I should start speaking it very fluently within few months. My friend, how can you forget that you are most of the time involved in your mother tongue, and that is the main reason you are unable to speak it fluently. So as I told you, so the day I speak Bhojpuri with so many people at my home and with my relatives, and I give very less time to English language, I feel my pronunciation, I start pronouncing the words different way, and you can feel in my speaking mother tongue influence. So in your case also it might be happening, and if we keep repeating this kind of mistakes, I mean involving in our mother tongue more and more and giving less time to English language, so the more we do this kind of thing, the more time it is going to take to speak this language fluently. Today you might be having some struggle while hearing my voice. The reason behind it, I'm recording from here, and it's a village area. People here, they keep working, and it creates noise, so I'm so sorry for that one. And other thing, this is the shed of my buffaloes. See, it's not so strong when rain falls, so most of the drop go inside the shed, and we wait for the dry. It takes 2-3 days to dry this place. But why we have kept this grass related shed? Because we have heard that it is quite comfortable for our buffaloes. It's cool in summer season. That is why instead of keeping some cement sheet and all, we have kept this grass, and in future we may change it. This is what. And yeah, I'm really so happy while creating this video. So my friend, try to speak this language more and more if you want to become a well speaker, if you want to speak this language fluently. Today I'm speaking this language. The reason behind it, I gave hours and hours, still I give hours and hours. And you won't believe what happened. I created one short video. So just because I engrossed in this language so much, I wasn't able to speak Hindi. And now also I feel, now I think I can, but I think after giving a lot of time for English language, I wasn't able to speak in Hindi. But there is nothing wrong. Okay, I can learn Hindi, and I don't have to put a lot of effort. I'm not going to forget completely, right? So in your case also, if you have to keep your mother tongue aside for a few months, keep it. You are not going to forget it, and it doesn't mean that you are disrespecting your mother tongue. No, it means that you are learning this language. If it is needed, then learn it. And we have to make sacrifice if we want something big. So for learning this language, if we have to keep our mother tongue aside for a few months, so we need actually I do speak Bhojpuri, but sometime I don't speak. I keep speaking English language. So this is what, my friend. All in all, I would say that try to give a lot of time for speaking and for listening, and then you can also speak this language fluently and effortlessly. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.